In such a competitive industrial market, companies face constant challenges. Pursuing solutions that enhance efficiency and quality in manufacturing has become a priority. Fortunately, a winning formula exists in the synergy between nearshoring and the IMMEX program. These two powerful elements, when combined, propel global competitiveness. Nearshoring in Mexico cuts costs and provides exceptional talent and access to key markets, making it a true advantage. On the other hand, the IMMEX program expedites success by streamlining imports and exports and creating tax benefits for businesses. This fusion of nearshoring and IMMEX generates potent synergy. Envision an optimized supply chain, efficient manufacturing, and a unique competitive edge. But how to seize this opportunity? At AMN Quality Solutions, we lead this strategic combination, offering quality services, manufacturing, and logistics, backed by our IMMEX and ISO 9001 certifications and a solid commitment to excellence. Reach out to AMN Quality Solutions and discover how we can be your strategic partner in success. Together, we will forge a robust supply chain and efficient manufacturing in Mexico. Your success is our purpose. Uncover the winning formula with nearshoring, IMMEX, and AMN Quality Solutions. Contact us now.